If we kind of step back a little bit, sort of more simplistically, we could think about two phases really to infection control. One is prevention of infection and prevention of the disease of infection, so killing it off early. And then once we start responding to that infection, then our focus switches to reducing the inflammation associated with our response. And that's where it gets a little tricky, because you don't want to stop the response, but if we don't modify the inflammatory response, we can go on to that shadow side. One of my favorite plants, it's not even a plant, but it's a lichen, but it's one of my favorites. I love Usnea for so many reasons. So this grows in the forest. It will only grow in forests with clean air. So if there's too much air pollution, Usnea will not grow. So it's like a biomarker of our ecosystem. In its full plant extract, it's so unique because it's selectively antibacterial against gram-positive bacteria, which are most common bacteria that cause infections, and it spares gram-negative, which are the ones that tend to commensally colonize our intestinal system. Hemidesmus, or Indian sarsaparilla, is definitely in the fourth category, reducing the inflammation associated with infection. But this is particularly important because it helps to reduce autoimmunity. So if you have that chronic inflammasome activation, and one of the risks of that inflammasome activation is autoimmunity. What are we seeing in people with long COVID? Autoimmune diseases, right? So one of the important things to do is to try to re-regulate the immune response in a long, sort of durable viral infection, and Hemidesmus is ideal for that.